In this tutorial, you'll learn how to enable the double tap to lock feature on your iPhone using Assistive Touch, a helpful option for quickly locking your device with a simple gesture. Start by locating and opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down again and tap on Touch. Tap on Assistive Touch and toggle the switch to turn it on. You will now see a small, transparent Assistive Touch circle appear on your screen. Within the Assistive Touch menu, tap Double Tap. Scroll through the available actions and select Lock Screen. From now on, double tapping the Assistive Touch circle will instantly lock your iPhone. If you'd like, you can also adjust how visible the circle appears. In the Assistive Touch settings, scroll down to Idle Opacity and use the slider to make the circle more or less transparent based on your preference. And that's it. Your iPhone is now set up to lock with a quick double tap of the Assistive Touch button. This feature is especially useful if your side button isn't working or if you prefer using on-screen controls.